Introducing the ultimate utility cart for 2025. Durable, versatile, and built to last. Sturdy steel frame with rust-resistant coating. Large storage capacity with multiple shelves and compartments. Smooth rolling wheels for effortless mobility. Adjustable handle for comfortable maneuverability. Durable powder coat finish for long-lasting protection. No. 5. Jogi 3-tier rolling cart with tabletop. Jogi rolling utility cart is a versatile storage solution for your home or office. Its stable steel construction can hold up to 150 pounds, ensuring durability. The removable MDF wood cover board offers a convenient tabletop for placing items. With its 3 tiers, this cart is perfect for organizing spaces like the bathroom, kitchen, or classroom. The lockable wheels allow easy mobility and secure placement. Installation is quick and easy, taking only 10 to 15 minutes. Experience the convenience of this cart in keeping your rooms tidy and items easily accessible. No. 4. 3-tier mesh utility cart by Pipishal. Reduce clutter and organize your home with this 3-tier rolling cart. Equipped with wheels and a handle, it is easy to move anywhere you need. The cart offers more storage possibilities and is a perfect solution for families with limited room. Its practical design ensures easy access to items, stability, and air movement. Made of high-quality metal, it can hold up to 22 pounds per shelf. Perfect for party night to keep guests entertained with mobile drinks and an ice bucket. No. 3. Vever Utility Service Cart. The Vever to Shelf Utility Cart is a heavy-duty plastic rolling cart designed for various transportation needs. With a weight capacity of 550 pounds, this cart can effortlessly transport oversized cartons, large filing cabinets, and hefty toolboxes. Made from quality polypropylene material, it is corrosion-resistant, easy to clean, and impervious to debris. The cart features lockable swivel wheels with reliable brakes, providing safe and stable transportation even on slopes and bends. The large 5-inch PVC wheels absorb shock and operate silently without scratching the floor. The cart also has a practical and versatile handle with the built-in storage compartment for optimal hand placement, safe control, and additional storage. The addition of side circular holes allows for easy attachment of accessories and hooks, making it easier to organize and store miscellaneous items. With easy installation and a sturdy, lightweight design, the Vever to Shelf Utility Cart is perfect for warehouses, garages, offices, gardeners, hotels, or any place with transportation needs. No. 2. Simple Houseware 3-tier metal rolling cart. This heavy-duty 3-tier metal rolling cart is perfect for storage and saving space. The cart comes with 3 metal baskets and heavy-duty 2 casters, wheels with brakes, 2 of which are lockable, with sturdy metal construction. This cart measures 12.5 L x 16.75 W x 32 H, making it large enough to hold a variety of items. The USPTO patent nitrogen monoxide, USD 957082, S1 ensures the cart is of high quality. No. 1. Yasonic 3-tier rolling cart. The Yasonic rolling cart is designed for easy movement and stability, making it perfect for transporting heavy items without hassle. Its all-metal construction ensures durability while remaining lightweight, allowing you to carry up to 22 pounds per shelf. With 3 spacious baskets, this cart is versatile enough for various uses, from arts and crafts to cleaning supplies. Additionally, the premium finish not only enhances the cart's appearance but also protects it from chips and odors, ensuring it complements any space beautifully.